Hi friends, today we will see lesson plan 6 from the topic Plant Kingdom, Unit Plant Kingdom. Fill up the first sheet details as usual. Instructional objectives. The pupil acquires the knowledge of binomial name of plants, identifies that living organisms are different in their structure, habitat, mode of nutrition and physiology, learns about taxonomy, list out the plant classification based on similarities and differences, explain the artificial and natural system of classification, outline the Bentham and Hooker system of classification. Instructional resources, hanging chart to show the binomial name of plants, flashcard showing the three classes of Bentham and Hooker classification, blackboard and chalk to show the types of classification. Previous knowledge. The teacher asks a question to test the prior knowledge of students. How are living things alike yet different? What is taxonomy? How the plant body can be differentiated? Does all plants bear seeds? Are the seeds enclosed within fruits or not? How transportation occurs in different plants? Can you differentiate the plants by seeing and how? Declaration of the topic, Plant Kingdom. Content, living organisms have a lot of similarities and differences and are arranged systematically. Plant kingdom includes thallophytes, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Introduces, the teacher gives introduction about the plant classification. Follows, the student follows the plant classification. Mention the classes in the plant kingdom. Next, taxonomy is coined by Augustine Pyramus de Candolle. Taxis means arrangement and nomos means laws. Defines, the teacher defines the term taxonomy. Listens, the student listens to the definition. Who defined the term taxonomy? The four types of classification are artificial system, natural system, phylogenetic and modern system. List out. The teacher lists out the four types of classification. Listens. The student listens to the plant classification. Artificial system of classification proposed by Carolus Linnaeus in Species Plantarum based on one or few morphological characters. Explains. The teacher explains the artificial system of classification. Understands. The student understands the classification. Evaluation, who proposed the artificial system of classification. Natural system of classification was based on morphological and reproductive characters of the seeded plants. States, the teacher states the natural system of classification. Follows, the student follows the natural system of classification explained by the teacher. Natural system is classified based on which character? Next, Bentham and Hooker classification is an example. It is used in herbaria. Spermatophyta are divided into three classes as dicotyledonnae, gymnosperms and monocotyledonnae. Outlines. The teacher outlines the Bentham and Hooker system of classification. Listens. The student listens to the classification and their character. Name the three classes of Bentham and Hooker's classification. Next, binomial nomenclature is the naming of an organism with two words as genus name and species name. Example, mango means Mangifera indica. Points out. The teacher points out binomial nomenclature of organism. Observes. The student observes the scientific system of naming organisms. Give an example of the binomial name. Next page. Recapitulation. Outline the Bentham and Hooker system of classification. What is taxonomy? Who coined the term taxonomy? Artificial system of classification was proposed by whom? Give an example of binomial name of an organism. Follow-up activities. Find out the binomial name of 5 fruits and 5 flowers. Outline the Bentham and Hooker system of classification. And you give your student signature. Thank you.